Hello, hi friends. In this video we are going to learn how to install Java into your system. So let's check my system configuration first. So I'm having 6 GB of RAM and 64-bit of operating system. And I'm having Windows 7. Okay, so let's install a Java into Windows 7 having 64-bit of operating system. Okay, so let's go to first. To install Java we need to have a configuration of JDK. So let's install JDK first. So to install JDK we have to type JDK 64-bit download into Google application. Okay, so I'm here on download. So first friends, as per your computer configurations, you select the proper JDK and accept the license agreement. So it's as my system is 64-bit, I will select this version. I will click on this. Now started downloading. Okay, JDK started downloading, friends. So as soon as JDK is downloaded fully, you just run this exe program. Okay, as I have already run this program, I will show you what happened after that. So I will cancel this. So as soon as you run that and install that exe program, you have to go to C and program files, and in Java folder you will see these two folder got created into your program files in Java folder. So you will get JDK and JRE. So I installed 1.8.191 JDK on my system. So after that, what you have to do, friends, you have to give a system variable path to your system. Okay, so you have to give an path to your system so that Java can run from anywhere, right? So environment variable you have to give. Click on environment, and as I have given, you have to do in same way. You have to go on, you have to create this variable. Click on new, give variable name and variable value. Okay, so as I have given, if I will show you, I have given Java home, and in Java home you have to give the path of program files Java and JDK, only JDK, only this much path. And second variable you have to create of JRE, you have to create JRE home, and you have to give program file Java JRE till bin, you have to give for JRE home, right friends? So after giving these two paths, the Java is installed into your system. So to verify if it is installed correctly or not, you have to go in command line and type Java version, and you will see this message, right? Like 1.8.191 Java is installed into my system, and it is 64-bit, it is mentioned here, right? And build in everything, all details you will get here, friends. So in this way you can install Java into your system by downloading JDK from Oracle website. Thank you friends, see you in next video.